All right, so here it is, what you would all call a Dremel tool. 75 accessories included. This is my FERREX 12-inch cordless rotary toolkit. 12 volt. This is beautiful. 75 accessories inside of this thing. So let's open it up and see what we're working with. I love the little plastic case they put it in. Nice. Really nice. And once I see now that once I open this, okay, to have access to the accessories, right here, it's another compartment that I'll open up. And I have an electric one, but this will be my first rechargeable 12 volt operated one with a lithium battery. Nice. You see those grinding pads in there, buffer pads, all the grinding stones. Look at that. Got the brush. Y'all, this is an amazing tool. There's your drill bits. All right, gives you the size right there. If I had my dial caliper out here, I would show you that how to size those up, the diameter of these. Let me close this up, turn this around so you can see the what's in it. All right. You have the HSS drill bits. You have your polishing disc, grinding disc, metal brush, cutting disc, which is really awesome. You could do a lot with them discs. Oh, they cut, y'all. The Colette cheeks, listen to me. Collet chucks, stainless steel grinding head, synthetic brushes, milling bits, mantles as tool holders, grinding bits, combination spanner, and circular sanding discs. So this is a pretty awesome tool. You could do a lot of things with this tool, trust me. You can cut bolts and things off with a Dremel tool that you can't. Oh, it's these grinding stones will cut a lot of things. Let me see, where's it at on here? Right there, the cutting disc. Those would be the cutting discs. If it's not these in that little container, then they're right up here inside of here. And it looks like somebody took one out of here. Yeah, so there is one missing, but it is what it is. Maybe somebody returned it, didn't like it, because I see a few scratches on it. It's all good. Doesn't matter. I can see somebody probably bought it, used it, and returned it. It's all good. Thanks for giving me the tool. Now it just better work when I hook it up.